Good afternoon. This is Keith Brandon, Moultrie, Georgia, with Commodity Consulting, with some commodity commentary for Friday. It's about 2:35 Eastern Time. We really never thought this week would get over because of all the two-sided choppy trading as the market looked with one eye on the weather and the other eye on the supply-demand numbers that come out on Monday. Those will be some very crucial numbers as far as giving us some direction on price for the markets. At any rate, December cotton went out almost at 8,900 today. For the week, December cotton was up 400 points, 4 cents. And that's due to the notion that maybe the Chinese cotton crop's getting a little bit stressed, and the fact that we had a little technical move up, and that turned some of the speculators on, so they just sort of bought the price action, if you will. And the market had a pretty good up week. But again, those supply-demand numbers will certainly give cotton some direction, I think, on Monday. They come out at high noon, 12 o'clock Eastern Time. In the beans up and down all around, and for the week they finished 1 cent higher. A week ago today, November beans settled 1181, and today's close was 1182 and a quarter, so 1 1/4 cents higher. Almost not worth trading, but that just shows you the positioning and the squaring up the market's doing in preparation for the supply-demand numbers. Corn a little worse this week. September corn down 12 cents. As the weather seems to be getting better for the crop out there, although again we contend that the market's dialed in a perfect crop and nothing's perfect in life, and they have not allowed for any type of tiny surprise of any sort. So that'll be interesting. One thing to look for Monday is if the numbers come out negative, if the data is bearish and the market doesn't trade bearish, then we may have a lot dialed in already. So don't fall, the old buy the rumor, sell the fact type thing. Wheat is the biggest disappointment for us. We're still friendly to wheat. We look around the world and we see a quality problem. We see in some areas a quantity problem, and yet wheat can't put 2 feet one in front of the other. We were down 8 cents today. September wheat for the week was down about 27 cents. So pretty much a nasty a bloodbath for wheat, but it still says to me that we're still going to have a rally in this wheat market, I believe, as we historically, wheat tends to rally from July to December, while corn tends to decline from July to December. So basically the hedge pressure's off, and on these numbers Monday, I think we'll see world carryout for wheat lower and U.S. wheat crop lower. So, with that in mind, sometimes the market just convulses right ahead of a number and then snaps up. So we'll see what that's all about. Big rally in crude oil today, and in the energies, no particular news other than we're closing all our embassies in the Middle East, and that looks like chickens to me. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.